Hey everyone, welcome to my second Tesla video. This is my 2021 Tesla Model 3 right behind me, which I've had for about a month and a half now. In this video, I'm going to be going through all of the accessories that I've added so far that I consider to be must-haves. Just so we're clear, this video is not sponsored in any way, and all of the accessories that I'm going to show you are based purely on research that I have done and bought with my own money. I hope by the end of this video, you will have some guidance on what Tesla accessories you may want to add to your car. So let's begin. Okay, so the first accessory that I want to go over is one of the most important. It's all-weather floor mats. I spent quite some time doing research on Amazon and Tesla's website, other third-party sellers, to decide which ones I really wanted to go with. The ones I decided were the Tasmanian all-weather floor mat full set bundle, which I got right off their website. Now, the all-weather floor mats on Tesla's website are definitely made of great quality, as they're made by WeatherTech, which is a very well-known brand. If you prefer to go directly from Tesla, it's a great set. The benefits of those is that they do have the Tesla logo on part of it, but they will cost you to get all of them $425 in total. Two of the reasons that I went with Tasmanian ones over the others were the price and the quality. Now, the full set of these comes with the two front, one for the rear, comes with one for the front, one for the trunk, and then one for the lower trunk, and comes in just around $280. So definitely a great price. If you can see, I'm holding this basically in one hand. It's very, very sturdy. It's not flimsy. Sorry, it's a little dirty right now. I didn't get a chance to clean it. However, what I do like about this is it does have some Velcro on the back, so it does stay in place. It doesn't shift around, which is one thing that I really, really like, along with the quality. I also really happen to like the walls on these. It really has a nice deep ridge to it, so that if you have water or anything in there, it doesn't fall out. It won't slip onto the sides on the carpet. This is really going to protect the carpet. Okay, so this is the driver's side one. As you can see, when I was showing it outside of the car, the lip does really have great coverage along the sides. Very deep. Does not move when you're driving, which is also a very nice thing. Goes really high up in the back as well, so great coverage all around. Just like the driver's side, the walls come up very high on the side here. It comes all the way back here and up. It really is going to have nice coverage. Also, same sturdy, deep pocket there. Really, really great quality. Okay, so this is the rear piece. It's one full long piece. It goes all the way across. It goes deep underneath the seats here and then under the middle console. It has those nice high walls you can see right there. Comes also up the back over here as well. So, like I said, great quality, great coverage, just a great product all around. Tasmanian did a really great job with these. Okay, so let me show you guys the front one now. I don't have anything in here, but so as you can see, this one, good coverage, nice lip around here as well. This is basically what the front looks like. It has the tow key right there. But this also sits in there really nice and snug, not going to move around at all. Great quality as well. This is Tasmanian's rear trunk mat. A couple things about this one. It does have a nice lip that goes all the way around, really contours very well. One of the things that I do love is this fold here in the middle. Some people may not like, however, it does make for lifting this up pretty easy, especially since if you have stuff in the trunk, or the lower trunk, excuse me, that you want to, get to. I just have a vacuum in here. That's the front plate cover, which I don't need here in Florida. And as you can see, there is, got something stuck on me there. There is the mat, goes nice and deep around here as well. Tasmanian really did a great job with these floor mats. Okay, so the second accessory that I want to show you guys today are the Aero Wheel Cap conversion kits. Now, this is a very simple change to make the car really stand out. It gives it a much nicer look, in my opinion. So the kit comes with 4 center caps and 20 lug nut covers. I got this kit right off of Amazon for a really great price. I'll link all of the accessories I'm going over today in the description below, so you can check them out. One question I see a lot of people asking are if the lug nut covers are on there securely. I can say that I've had these on for about a month and a half since I've had the car, and driven over about 1,500 miles with the car, and none of them are loose. They're on there very securely, very hard to pull them off, so they're definitely secure. You don't have to worry about them falling off. Now, while I'm down here on the topic of wheels, another accessory that can just give the wheels that little bit extra are wheel valve caps. The car comes with just basic ones on, but I found these valve caps right on Amazon for very cheap as well. They have the Tesla logo on them, and I think they really just round out the wheels perfectly. Okay, so the fourth accessory that I want to go over with you guys are tints. I'm a big fan of putting tints on a car for a few reasons. First of all, for privacy, and second, for the fact that it just helps keep a lot of the heat out, which is very important, especially down here in South Florida. I went pretty straightforward and just went with what the state legal limits were down here in Florida. Each state does have different laws, so check what your local laws are before doing it, but I definitely recommend it and definitely think it's worth it. Okay, so the fifth accessory that I added to my car are mud flaps. These took a little bit longer to find a good quality set that I felt was worth buying. So fun fact, the ones on Tesla's website are only front mud flaps. They don't come with a back set. I made the mistake of not reading the website clearly, ordered them, and didn't realize they were just front flaps until they came. So I sent those back and I kept looking. I ended up going with these from Amazon. These were pretty easy to install and took about 15-20 minutes to do. With my background in the auto industry, I've seen a lot of cars with damage along the rocker panel and rear bumper from rocks and tar that can get kicked up on the highway, so I really felt it was important to find a good set to help protect the paint of the car itself. Okay, so the next accessory that I highly recommend is a center console tray. This one specifically goes in the front console. One of my favorite features is that it does slide along the inside of the console. I typically have a pair of sunglasses and some hand sanitizer in there. Underneath, I have my fiance's glasses. Yes, we do keep a pair of sunglasses in each other's cars. I do, like I said, keep a pair of sunglasses, which fits perfectly in there, so plenty of room for you to fit other things as you see fit. Lastly is the cup holder liner that I have here. One of the main reasons that I decided to get this was to protect the actual cup holder from debris or liquids getting stuck inside there. With the liner, it's easy to just take it out, wash it if I need to, and then put it right back. My last car, I did not do this, and by the time I turned it in, the cup holder was dirty and sticky, and I just didn't want to have that happen with this car. So this was definitely a must-have that I needed for this car, and this is also directly from Testmanian's website. Okay, so that's all the accessories that I've added to my Model 3 so far. I have a few more ideas that I may consider down the road, but these were some of the must-haves for me for right now after I first picked up this car. I've linked all of the products down below, so feel free to take a look. If you have any questions or any recommendations, please leave a comment down below. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and supporting my channel by subscribing. I promise to keep bringing you guys more content in the near future. My name is Mike. See you next time.